My Alfa machine is not sewing well, the stitches are irregular or skip completely. 1. Choose the right needle for each fabric. Standard needles 80 and 90 for sewing cotton, linen, flannel, corduroy. Standard needles 100 and 110 for heavy fabrics like canvas, upholstery, denim. Blue tip ballpoint needle for elastic and delicate fabrics like lycra, knit. Special leather needle with triangular tip for better piercing of the fabric. Special jeans needle with fine, chrome-plated tip for better penetration of the fabric. A quality needle will ensure better stitching. 2. Adjust the thread tension. Use tension 2 to 3 for thin fabrics. Medium tension 3 to 4 for normal fabrics. And tension 4 to 5 for thick fabrics. If the bobbin thread shows on the right side of the fabric, loosen the tension. If the upper thread shows on the wrong side of the fabric, increase the tension. 3. Check that the shuttle is clean. Open the side supports. Remove the support washer. And remove the half moon. If dirty, remove it with tweezers. Place the half moon. Turn the hand wheel 360 degrees and make a stitch to check that it does not jam. Place the support washer. The pivot must align with the hole, and the plate should face inward. Close the side supports. Place the bobbin case in the aligned position with the slot and press until it clicks. Turn the hand wheel 360 degrees and make a stitch to check that it does not jam. 4. Ensure the machine is properly threaded. Watch the complete video, How to Thread My Alfa, in this section. 5. Make sure the needle is properly inserted. Watch the complete video, How to Change the Needle on your Alfa, in this section.